Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi squishy. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need Japanese short-grain rice, which is crucial for that perfect, sticky, tender texture. Also, have your rice vinegar, sugar, and salt ready for the seasoning. Don't forget your nori seaweed sheets, your chosen fillings, and a bamboo rolling mat to help with assembly. Having everything prepared makes the process much smoother. Now, let's focus on the rice itself to achieve that squishy texture. Begin by rinsing 2 cups of short-grain rice under cold water until the water is mostly clear. This removes excess surface starch. Next, soak the rinsed rice in fresh water for 20 to 30 minutes to ensure even moisture absorption. Then, cook the rice with 2½ cups of water, and after cooking, let it steam, covered, for 10 minutes. With your rice cooked, it's time to season it for flavor and texture. In a small bowl, mix 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt until dissolved. While the rice is still hot, gently fold this warm seasoning mixture into it using a cutting motion with a rice paddle. This ensures even distribution without mashing the grains. Finally, cool the seasoned rice to room temperature, fanning it to give it a beautiful, glossy appearance. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Lay a nori sheet on your bamboo mat, then spread a thin, even layer of your perfectly squishy rice over about 2/3 of the nori. Place your favorite fillings along the center. Carefully roll the sushi tightly using the mat, applying gentle, even pressure to create a firm roll. Slice it into 6 to 8 pieces with a damp, sharp knife. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade squishy sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.